Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we want to find the value of x and y in this given nice algebra problem. 2 raised to power s plus 3 raised to power y is equal to 17. 2 raised to power s plus 1 minus 3 raised to power y is equal to 1. This is actually a simultaneous equation. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. We want to solve this problem using elimination method, and I'm going to treat it step by step. Now, 2 raised to power s plus 3 raised to power y is equal to 17. Let us call this equation 1. 2 raised to power s plus 1 minus 3 raised to power y is equal to 1. Let us call this equation 2. If you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. Then let 2 raised to power x is equal to a and 3 raised to power y is equal to b. Therefore, this equation 1 can be written as a plus b is equal to 17. Let us call this equation 3. Then from the equation 2, 2 raised to power s plus 1 minus 3 raised to power y is equal to 1. This can be written as 2 raised to power x multiplied by 2 raised to power 1 minus 3 raised to power y is equal to 1. Now, if 2 raised to power x is a, this is a multiplied by 2 minus 3 raised to power y is b is equal to 1. A multiplied by 2, this is 2a minus b is equal to 1. This is equation 4. Now we can now solve equation 3 and this equation 4 simultaneously. Now equation 3 is a plus b is equal to 17. Equation 4 is 2a minus b is equal to 1. Let us solve this using elimination method by adding the two equations together. A plus b plus 2a minus b is equal to 17 plus 1. A plus b plus 2a minus b is equal to 18. This take care of this. A plus 2a, this is 3a, is equal to 18. Then this divided by 3 and this divided by 3. 3a1, 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 3a6. A is equal to 6. This is the value of A. We've gotten the value of A. Let us solve for B. To solve for B, let me make use of this equation 3. From equation 3, A plus B is equal to 17. We've known the value of A, which is 6. 6 plus B is equal to 17. B is equal to 17 minus 6. B is equal to 11. This is the value of B. Therefore, we have A is equal to 6 and B is equal to 11. Recall that 2 raised to power s is equal to A and 3 raised to power y is equal to B. Now let's see, this is 2 raised to power s is equal to A is 6. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 2 raised to power s is equal to log 6. Then s log 2 is equal to log 6. S log 2 divided by log 2, because we are looking for the value of s, is equal to log 6 divided by log 2. This log 2 cancel log 2 here. S is equal to log 6 divided by log 2. Then s is equal to log 6 base 2. This is the value of x. That is, if you have log a divided by log b, this is equal to log a base b. Also, 3 raised to power y is equal to b is 11. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 3 raised to power y is equal to log 11. Y log 3 is equal to log 11. Then let's divide both sides of this equation by log 3. This divided by log 3 and this is divided by log 3. Log 3 cancel log 3 here. Y is equal to log 11 divided by log 3. Y is equal to log 11 base 3. This is the value of y. Therefore, our final answer are s is equal to log 6 base 2 and y is equal to log 11 base 3. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have a better method, kindly put it in the comment section. Please comment. I love you. Bye.